I like the other one though.
Taking a stroll through a special pumpkin patch, Okatie Elementary School is holding its annual Pumpkins in Disguise project, having students decorate pumpkins like their favorite book characters.
I've been collecting Dogman's books for a while, and I've really been interested by every single story that the author makes because it really interests me about how they have to try to go against different kinds of monsters and really how there's a lot of dialogue and action.
This is Sunny from Wings of Fire, and I like this book because it's about dragons and I really like dragons.
The students had fun using their artistic skills to create their pumpkins.
I made a fly-eye pumpkin. I made her eyeball out of foam ball.
For the legs, I used felt. For the tail, I used foam, and the neck and head, I also used foam.
For his legs, I used wood, so we sawed them and cut them into his legs. And then for the head, we used squash, and I just painted it.
The pumpkins are all being displayed in the media center as a way to encourage kids to read.
Our goal is to have the students really recognize book characters that they've loved reading in the past, or maybe a book that they haven't seen before as they do a walkthrough and look at all the pumpkins and they realize, oh, I want to go check out that book. I want to be able to read that one now. I like that character.
About 100 pumpkins were created by students at Okatie Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.